Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video highlighting some of the features and accessories that come with the Mr. Cool DIY. I've had my unit for a while now, so it's already installed, but it did come with a few accessories. This product came in two boxes. The part of the unit you will see most often is the indoor air handler. The handler comes with a pre-charged refrigerant line. This is what makes it a DIY. As the refrigerant line is already in the unit, you don't have to call a HVAC company to set it up. It came with an outdoor heat pump condenser. It came with a remote control and a wall mount for it, a Wi-Fi smart kit to connect your unit to the Wi-Fi, a line cover, and all kinds of other nuts and bolts to help install it. Now let's go through the settings that this thing can do. It has an auto mode. In this mode, the unit determines whether it should be cooling or heating based on the temperature that was set on the remote. Cooling mode. I think the thing that this unit does the best is cool the house. In summer, it exchanges warm air from inside the house with some of the cooler air that is outside. When it cools off, there is condensation, and I recommend whatever wall you put this on to have access straight out the wall so it can drip out. In my scenario, the only place I could put the unit required me to run the unit's pipe outside through a drip line. It isn't the best case scenario, but it works for me. Heating mode. This unit heats as well. In the winter, it takes the warm temperature that exists outside and exchanges it with the inside cool air, therefore warming the inside of your house. The unit is capable of warming your house as long as the air temperature outside remains above 5 degrees. I have noticed when it gets below freezing in the winter, we have to supplement with space heaters, but it makes a huge difference. Drying mode. Think of the dry setting as a dehumidifier. We have an older house, and after a rain, you can feel the humidity in the house go up. We often put it in dry mode to just pull some excess moisture out of the room. Now the unit does tend to cool the room when it's in dry mode. Fan. Just to get a little circulation in the room, there is fan mode. Follow me. This essentially turns your remote into a thermostat. When the desired temperature around the remote is reached, the unit reacts. The other buttons on the remote control do something as well. Turbo is a way to boost the unit and get the temperature up as quickly as possible. Sleep turns off the unit for a period of time. Self-clean cleans the unit. Blade direction can be controlled with the swing button, which moves the blade up and down constantly, or direct, which lets you position them where you want. You can control the display with the LED button and turn the light off if you need to. The Mr. Cool DIY does come with reusable filters that are super easy to clean. All you do is pop them out, rinse them out in the sink, and put them back in once they've dried. There are a few different sizes of the same model that you can purchase depending on the size of the room that you have. I got the 18,000 BTU unit to heat my room, but you may need something different. A 12,000 BTU unit will warm and cool 500 square feet. An 18,000 BTU unit will warm and cool 750 square feet. A 24,000 BTU unit will warm and cool 1,000 square feet, and their largest one, a 36,000 BTU, will warm and cool 1,500 square feet. There is a size that will fit almost all applications. The newer versions even connect with the Google Hub and Alexa. Now I've had my unit for almost 4 years, and I haven't had any issues except it did struggle to keep up during the snowpocalypse in 2021. Other than that, this has been a great unit and I recommend it to people all the time. Thanks for watching.